Hi all, welcome. In this video, we will see how to find the duplicate elements from the list. Okay, so for that, I have created a list of integers, and I have added some random integer values into that list. Created a list using arrays.as list. Okay, there are multiple ways where we can find a duplicate elements from the list. Okay, first one we will see by using grouping by. Okay, for that let's see the integers and convert that into streams, and then collect using collectors dot grouping by, and where there is a method function dot identity, which is the element, and we need to find the count, how many elements are there. Okay, how many times the element is repeated each time. Okay, so if you see, if you print this one, you will see how many times the each element is having in the list. Okay, one is having 3 times, 2 is having 3 times, 3 is having 2 times, like that. So the duplicate elements are here 1 2 3 4. Yeah, if you see 5 6 7 are unique values, so these are not duplicates, so we need to find these values. Okay, so now what we need to get is we got a map, and then from here let's get the entry set. Okay, and then convert this entry set into stream, and then from here filter the values which are having whose keys value is greater than 1. Okay, and then we need to map, we need to convert, we need to get the keys basically. So here whose values are greater than 1, so for that we need to get the keys. Okay, so we need to convert using a map method. We can convert entry by getting a get keys, and then okay, and then we can get it as a list. Okay, and if you integers list, okay, if you print this one, and then if you execute this, see, you will see only 1 2 3 4 we got from the list, because those are the values, those are the duplicates from the list. Okay, this is one approach, and the other approach is using collections frequency method. So for that also, let's take integers dot streams. Okay, and then in filter, okay, we get each value, and then from the each value can collections dot frequency, which takes 2 parameters. One is the collection and the actual object. Here the collection is integers, and then actual value, so whose count is greater than 1. Okay, and then we can collect that as a set, and then if you assign it to set, and you can print that value. Okay, if you run it, okay, you will get the same output for the second approach also. Okay, the third approach is by putting the values into set. Okay, integer where items is equal to new hash set of okay, and then you can iterate integers data string, and then filter. In the filter, what you can do is like items dot add of I, and then collect dot collectors dot to set. Okay, so if you do like this also, then collect 2. If you do like this also, you will get the same output. Okay, so in all three approaches, using these three approaches, you can find the duplicate elements that are present in the list. Thank you.